In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a person in Kenya on Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your referral details, share them with someone in Kenya, and make sure both of you qualify for the bonus when they complete their first transfer. First, open the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that you have a stable internet connection because you'll need it to fetch your referral information. Next, look for the menu icon or your profile picture. This is usually at the top corner of the screen. Tapping it opens your account options. Depending on your app version, the layout may look a little different, but you're aiming for your account or settings area. From there, select Invite Friends or Refer a Friend. The wording can vary slightly, but it leads to the same place. Sendwave's referral section. This page explains the promotion and how your friend can sign up so that both of you are credited. Now copy your referral link or referral code. The link is the easiest option because when your friend taps it, it automatically connects their new account to your referral. If you only see a code, that's fine too. Just make sure your friend enters it during sign up so the system can track the referral correctly. Share the link directly with your friend in Kenya through WhatsApp, Messenger, or SMS. A quick personal note helps. Tell them it's your Sendwave invite, that it's safe to use, and that they'll get a bonus after their first send. Avoid posting your code in public places to protect your account and ensure legitimate referrals. If your friend is on a different platform, you can paste the link anywhere they can click or copy it easily. Ask them to download the Sendwave app using your link and complete sign up. This part is important. The link should be used before they create their account, and they need to be new to Sendwave for the bonus to apply. Encourage them to follow the app's prompts and finish any verification so they're fully set up to send. Once your friend sends money for the first time, both of you will receive a bonus reward in your Sendwave accounts. The exact amount, minimum transfer requirements, and timing can vary, so check the details shown in your app's referral screen. Rewards usually appear shortly after the first transfer is processed. If it doesn't show up, confirm that they used your link and completed that first send, then contact support through the app for help. That's it. Simple, secure, and a great way to share Sendwave with someone in Kenya while you both benefit.